In this real review of QishioBits, the game-changing brand new software from Kenny Tan, it launches today, August 6, 2021 on Warrior Plus, which is the fastest way to drive free buyer traffic to any link, offer, or funnel with just one click. We are going to take a look inside of the dashboard, walk through each one of these features that you see right here. But first, back to the sales page to address the bullets here on the main page. Revolutionary software drives free buyer traffic in seconds with one click. It's cloud-based, so you can use it on any device. Taps into new unsaturated 2 billion plus traffic source. We'll stop right there and we'll talk about what this new unsaturated 2 billion plus traffic source is, because it does say here on the sales page. And I want to make sure you understand what that is, because as it states in the sales page, you are moments away from effortlessly driving free traffic to any website or offer in seconds. Step 1, sign up. Sign up for instant access to the revolutionary QishioBits. Step 2, log into the cloud-based software on any device from anywhere with an internet connection. Step 3, click share to send free traffic to any website you choose in seconds. And this is what I'm going to show you inside the dashboard when we get there about where and how you're actually sending this traffic in step 3. First, you have the dashboard here that's going to give you the information on the messages that you're sending, and you will be sending messages to WhatsApp users. But before we dig into that and how that message system works, let's take a look at this. Inside the interface, you have the ability to check out Warrior Plus deals. What you can see here is you can see pages and pages of Warrior Plus deals, but it's pretty limited on the information it gives you. The name, the feature date, and the details. Then you have the ability to click on the sales page. So that takes you to the sales page for Pillgates, which you can see right here. Project Pillgates is the name. You can also click on Grab Deals, which takes you to the Warrior Plus page, where then you would need to go find out about the actual product itself. And then you would need to come here and you would have to go up to Affiliate Offers, come over here, Project Pillgates. So as you can see, I'm manually having to do this myself, and I actually didn't find it. So let's go back to Qishio and see it is brought to us by Pillgates. So let's copy that. Go back to Warrior Plus, look for vendor name, go ahead and search. Scroll down here. Now you're actually going to be able to find out the offer and or click on request. Then it'll bring you to the page here where you can actually request approval for your link. Again, you would need to request approval to promote that and be approved by Pillgates, the vendor, to promote it. But let's go back here and actually look at the information, the release date, the number of sales, the conversion rate, the visitor value, the average sale, and the refund rate. This is the kind of information that you will want to know, that you need to know as an affiliate before you pick this product to promote. But as you can see inside of Qishio, it doesn't give you any of that information. It just links you to the sales page, and it links you to the Warrior Plus page, where you then have to go through the process that you just saw. Same with JVZoo. Come down to JVZoo, very limited information, not the information that you need. Here you can click out and go to the sales page, which as you can see, that opens up the sales page right there. Go back to Qishio, click on Grab Deals. This takes you to the JVZoo affiliate page, which at least for the JVZoo interface in QishioBits, it actually links you to the affiliate offer. Here you would have to fill out this information, select you have read and follow the instructions, say you're not a robot, and then request approval, then be approved by the vendor to promote this product. Again, you would have to create a JVZoo account, you would have to establish your account, and you would have to set up your JVZoo Pay to make sure that if you were to make a commission, that you actually get paid the commission. So you need to come to JVZoo, just like you need to come to Warrior Plus to set up all this information, to set up your accounts. And you can't do any of that here inside of QishioBits, and it doesn't give you the information that you need to know if this product is worth promoting. You need to see conversion rates. You need to see refund rates. Additional information like that that is just not provided here in these two elements of QishioBits, so this really provides you no value whatsoever. The next feature inside of QishioBits is the creator. So what this is an interface where you can create these types of videos. These images are sized perfectly for WhatsApp for mobile devices, And basically you can click on each one of these, then you can drill into this, and then you can actually start editing this video. So you have a video editor right here where you can change the elements, drag the elements around, change those elements. Of course, you can add this information here because this is all based on telephone numbers inside of WhatsApp. So effectively, you have a very basic editor here with a few templates that you see right here. These are all the templates that they're giving you that you can edit, and you could use these when you actually message people in WhatsApp. And that is really what Qishio is doing. And like I said, as you can see from Kenny Tan here, he is actually telling you on the sales page what all the problems are with the current ways of marketing, to include email marketing that you saw. And then he does tell you that WhatsApp is an unsaturated traffic source of 2 billion users. And I'm not going to disagree with the stance of the fact that this is possibly an unsaturated traffic source, specifically depending on your niche and your location. But when you go back into QishioBits to say, or to show you this and say that this provides value is a stretch, because there's plenty of editors out there to do that, to include canva.com, which, as you can see right here, you can create any of these types of presentations, social media posts, video, all different types of marketing templates, and this is all for free. So back into Qishio, here you go to downloads. Once you create something in the creator, then it'll bring you into the download screen here, and anything that you've created, you'll be able to download. I have clicked on the download button to open up the download screen. It is just sort of sitting here and I'm waiting. There's a blank window. So we're just going to go ahead and hit the back button, and there's nothing there to see anyway because I didn't create and save any. Now let's get into the heart of this, and it's numbers list. Here is where you actually create a list of WhatsApp numbers. This is where you run into the problem of using this software. The software doesn't actually collect the numbers for you. That's where you need to understand WhatsApp marketing. And here you will need to create a numbers list, and you'll need to put these on line by line when you get ready to send out a message. As you can see here, it says to avoid errors, the number should contain the country code without 00 or the plus symbol. So effectively create many different these numbers lists, and then you'll come down to messages, and here's where you will send out your messages to your account that you've connected here, which is your WhatsApp account. Then you'll be able to schedule messages. You'll be able to see insights about the messages that you've sent, as well as the history of the messages. And then there's also a section here to connect an RSS feed. Click here to add an RSS feed. If you don't know what an RSS feed is, an RSS feed is simply an RDF site summary, or a really simple syndication feed that allows users and applications to access updates to web pages and basically pull in information. So here you could pull in an RSS feed and use that feed to send out as part of your message. Of course, you'll be sending out the images or the videos that you used in creators. So then you would upload those right here. And of course, you would need to create those, download those, and then re-upload those to send those here in the messenger. Now let's get to the heart of what QishioBits is. It's a WhatsApp marketing system. It's a way for you to create images and videos to send out to people on their WhatsApp. WhatsApp marketing is a type of messenger marketing, which implies promoting a brand through WhatsApp. So that's what you'll be doing. You'll be sending people messages on WhatsApp after you collect their phone numbers. So go to sumo.com, check out this WhatsApp for marketers, how to use it to drive massive traffic, plus the bonus material, which is 5 mistakes to avoid in WhatsApp. Because there are tons of people, just like the sales page says, but if you're going to use it, you need to understand what's going on with WhatsApp. Facebook has 1.65 billion active users. Twitter has 310 million active users. LinkedIn has 100 million active users. They're saying that WhatsApp has 1 billion active users, which is correct. But you need to understand where those users are, and the fact that, according to this article, there is no advertising on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a permission-based marketing platform, meaning you have to collect numbers, or you have to get people to send you a message, and then they'll give you permission to then message them again. But it goes back to understanding what you can send. Here, it's going to show you all the different formats that you can send as far as WhatsApp messages go. Then you need to understand who uses WhatsApp, because this is the key component of any marketing system, is understanding who your audience is, where they are, and what it is you're going to be targeting them with, the types of information based upon who they are, where they are, and take a look at this. Remember, the core of WhatsApp is free text messages. In markets like Europe and Asia, that's a huge value proposition. Data charges are crazy high, which is why WhatsApp can come in and instantly be successful. In the US, that's not the case, due to most carriers have offered free messaging and voice calling bundles for years now, so the appeal of free text and calls don't resonate with Americans. So take a look at this chart, understand where you're going to be sending the bulk of your messages based upon the major users of WhatsApp. And again, it's a permissions-based marketing system, meaning you have to get people to allow you to send messages to them on their WhatsApp device by collecting their number or having them send a message to your number. So you can see here the active WhatsApp users in South Africa, Malaysia, Argentina, Singapore, Hong Kong, Spain, India, Mexico, the UAE, Italy, and the Netherlands. Again, the idea here, the concept is I'm not telling you not to use WhatsApp marketing in your marketing as part of your marketing. What I'm telling you to do is do your research on WhatsApp for marketers and how to use it to drive massive traffic, as well as 5 mistakes to avoid in WhatsApp. Go to sumo.com or read this article, understand what you're getting into. When you purchase Qishio, you're going to be building number lists, which are WhatsApp numbers that you have to collect, or you have to have people send a message to your number. You then collect those numbers, you manually build these lists, then you come in here and you select messages, then you connect to your WhatsApp account and you send it to those lists that you manually built. And then when you come back to QishioBits, the revolutionary WhatsApp marketing platform and traffic generation suite, that is revolutionary software that drives free buyers traffic in seconds with one click. This is where the traffic comes into play. This section of QishioBits, which is called Social Share. You click on Social Share and what's going to pop up, I'm waiting for this to load. This is taking a little bit of time to load. This is the day of the launch. It is 3 p.m. August 6, 2021. I'm waiting for this to load. Okay, it did load. Here is what you're doing. Share your link to multiple social channels. Your WhatsApp URL, https://web.whatsapp.com, and then your URL, whatever that URL may be that you've been assigned. Then you're simply going to click on one of these links to share it to social media. The question here is, do you have a following on any of these social media platforms? Yammer, Yumly, YCOP, Qishio, Video, WeChat, Yahoo Mail, Flatter, Naver, Newsvine, WordPress. Scroll back up to the top. Twitter. Do you have a following on Twitter? Do you have a following on Facebook? Do you know how to share a URL on Twitter? Do you know how to share a URL on Facebook? Most likely, I'm going to guess the answer is yes. So what does Qishio do? It allows you to click on this Twitter button. It loads up your Twitter account and it shares this URL, which would be your WhatsApp URL. So again, this traffic is sending your WhatsApp link out to social media, and the question comes back to which of these social media platforms, which of these places on the internet do you have a following on that you need to come here inside of QishioBits to click this link and have it automatically share this link out to you that you couldn't already do without buying QishioBits. So before you buy QishioBits, think about this. Is it really a game-changing brand new software that you need in your business? Do you understand and know how to do WhatsApp marketing? Do you need this interface to send messages to your WhatsApp numbers list that you manually create? And do you need QishioBits to share your WhatsApp link out to your social media following? If the answer is no, then you don't need this software. If the answer is yes, then by all means, pick it up and give it a try. And let me know in the comments how well it works for you. If this video was helpful, thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the video you see here on the screen, click it, watch it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.